Hello, crafty friends. Today we are playing with the 3D embossing folder of the month for Spellbinders Clubs, January 2024, titled Efflorescent Flora. This embossing folder is an extra large embossing folder, as most of you probably know, so it's good for all sizes of cards. But I have embossed it here on white card and colored it in, except for a little that we're going to do today on camera, with some Copic markers. So I'm doing very basic coloring. We're not doing tons of blending or anything, but I just wanted to share this with you. I actually got the technique idea from Justine Dvorak. She's been doing some gorgeous work over on her channel, Stationery by Justine, and I thought I'd give it a try. So here we go. The sentiment, just so I can put this away, the sentiment we're using today is from the Everyday Sentiments by Simon Hurley. And we're just going to be using a hello. So let's see here. For this, we'll do the greens here. We will do in G14 and G17. And I believe I'm going to do these little florals also with that. The only florals that I did in the lighter green, which is G40 and 43, were these little tiny ones, and they were just little dots of color, so I just went ahead and did those. But for these, we'll use this green combination, G14 and 17. So really all I did is just gently go over, and I just attempt to stay on the raised portion of the embossing folder. There we go. I'm going to put a little music on so that you guys can watch as I color. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just going to attach this to the card base, and we will attach our sentiment. This is a great little project or technique to do when you're just enjoying an afternoon of coloring, maybe watching a movie on Netflix, and just enjoying some downtime and enjoying your products. Because after all, that's why we love this craft, right? Now on this, I left a larger border, a little bit larger than I usually do, and I really like that. Now for the sentiment, I cut 3 of the white hellos and then put that on a black base so that the sentiment would have texture in itself. So we will just put this on, and let's see where we want that. I was thinking down here. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it right here. Looks good right there. I'm going to hold that there since there's some 3-dimension under that. And I will put an acrylic block on it here in just a second. But here is using the 3D Embossing Folder Club for January 2024. I just love the way that turned out. Thank you, Justine, for the great idea and inspiration. Have a great day, guys. Bye.